Hello everybody, welcome from HVACR Design Engineering. My name is Tuya Ao. Now I want to talk about refrigerator wiring connection. Now we see is wiring diagram of refrigerator. Compressor have 3 terminal common C, start S, run R. Compressor start relay connect to run R and start S terminate in compressor. Compressor start relay start the compressor inside the refrigerator. Compressor common C terminate connected to overload protector. Overload protector protect from compressor overload. Compressor overload occur when the amount of current flowing through the compressor is exceeded the rating of compressor. Overload protector capacity is vary according to the compressor capacity, such as kilowatt, watt or horsepower. Another wire of overload protector is connected to the evaporator fan motor. Evaporator fan motor draw air through the evaporator coil to remove the heat from food inside the refrigerator. Evaporator fan motor is connected to number 4 terminal of defrost timer. The defrost timer is electromechanical timer that controls the time interval between automatic defrost cycle in the refrigerator. Motor in defrost timer run and move the component in the defrost timer. Number 1 terminal of defrost timer is connected to thermostat. Thermostat control the cooling process by monitoring the temperature and switching the compressor on and off. When sensor in thermostat send the coordinate inside the refrigerator, thermostat will stop the compressor running. If it sends too much heat in thermostat sensor that is attached in evaporator coil, thermostat will switch the compressor on and begin the cooling process again. Whenever thermostat switch the compressor on and begin the cooling process, motor in defrost timer is running. Because number 1 terminal and number 3 terminal in defrost timer is connected to the motor in defrost timer. Thermostat is connected with door switch. Closing the door of refrigerator is pressing the door switch. Pressing the door switch is shut off the lamp in refrigerator. Opening the door of refrigerator is releasing from pressing the door switch. Releasing the door switch from pressing is turn on the lamp in refrigerator. During pressing the door switch, line and neutral current is flowing into the evaporator fan motor and compressor. So, evaporator fan motor and compressor is running during pressing the door switch. This means that door switch is controlling the running and stopping of evaporator fan motor and compressor. Number 2 terminal in defrost timer is connected with bimetal thermostat. The bimetal thermostat is a safety device attached on the evaporator coil. If the heater gets hot enough to damage the evaporator, the bimetal thermostat shut off the refrigerator defrost heater. Another wire in bimetal thermostat is connected with the defrost heater. Defrost heater melt frost from freezer evaporator fan. During the defrost cycle, compressor and evaporator fan motor must be shut off, and then defrost heater must be turned on. Defrost heater is connected to thermal fuse. Thermal fuse is a safety device that will disconnect the current to the defrost heater before overcurrent flowing to the defrost heater. If thermostat is set to off position, it cut off the power supply to the defrost timer. When thermostat is on position, it may contact closing thermostat. At that time, current were flowing from thermostat to number 1 terminal of defrost timer and then flowing through the number 4 terminal of defrost timer to run evaporator, fan motor and compressor for cooling mode. Terminal 1 and terminal 4 in defrost timer is normally closed NC position. When these two terminals in contact, cooling cycle is on. Whenever contact in thermostat is closed, motor in defrost timer is running because number 1 terminal in defrost timer is connected to thermostat. Motor in defrost timer is running the time interval of cooling cycle and defrost cycle. As you see in picture of defrost timer, you can change the certain time interval of defrost such as 6 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour. For example, when you set 6 hour, defrost cycle will start in after 6 hour of cooling cycle. Number 1 terminal and number 2 terminal in defrost timer is normally open. When activate defrost cycle, they are in closed position and complete electrical circuit into the defrost heater to defrosting the frost in evaporator. When activate defrost cycle, number 1 terminal and number 4 terminal is open from normally closed position. Therefore, during defrost cycle, evaporator, fan motor and compressor are stopping. Thermal fuse detect the overcurrent and protect the defrost heater from overcurrent by cutting off the electric current flowing into the defrost heater. Thank you very much for watching my video.